Hello everyone. Today I will be announcing my February giveaway, but first I want to demonstrate one way of making a useful memo book in just a few easy steps. I needed something to keep little notes in and to carry around with me. I will show you what I came up with. And after the memo book is complete, and that doesn't take long, I will let you know all about my February giveaway. So do stay tuned for that. My name is Laura, and I am from the Queen of Mirth. Today, I'm especially grateful for the two wonderful ravens that have chosen to hang out in the tree that I can see through the window from the table where I work. These ravens have been coming back on most days for about a month now. And I am extremely grateful for them, and I absolutely love them. I love ravens, and I've been hoping for ravens for a long time. So this is great. Now let's get to work on the memo book. I wanted to show you with a scrap piece of paper how I know what size of a book to make, because I'm going to be stapling it. Now, what you need to do is get your stapler and take a scrap piece of paper and then just gently stick it into the stapler as far as it will go, and then staple. Now, next step is to measure from the staple to the edge of the paper. And this one is 3 1/4 inches. So I know now that my book is going to be 3 1/4 inches wide. And that means that I need to cut paper that is 6 1/2, like 3 1/4 times 2, 6 1/2. This is going to be the cover, so this would be 6 1/2 inches here. And then I've decided already that I want my book to be 5 1/2 inches long. So 5 1/2 inches. So I need to cut 6 1/2 by 5 1/2. So let's get doing that. Yeah, I think that the various staplers are different. Probably. I haven't gone around measuring them, but that's what I think. Now I have 6 sheets of this kind of paper. It's just inexpensive lined paper with the 3 holes, and it's from the dollar store. Now, okay, so 5 1/2. Oh, just a minute here. 6 1/2 is what I want. 6 1/2 on this way. I'm just doing it so that the 3 holes are going to be on this part that I don't need. So 6 1/2, and then I turn in my paper over and I make it 5 1/2 inches high. We have some weird bits of paper that are there, but whatever, it's okay. Now this should be 3 1/4. And it's 3 1/4. So now I want to do the same with this cover. So let's have a look here. 6 1/2. like this color of light purple. Purple being one of my favorite colors anyway. Yeah, I need to trim it a little bit here. Okay. Now, what we'll do is I want to staple it, but I want to staple it with the good side up so that the flat part of the staple will be on the top or on the spine. And I'm going to put 2 staples in here. I just have to gently put the pages into the little book to the back of the stapler. That's nice. And this should be the same. Good. There we have it. Now, I want to decorate my book a little bit, so I thought I would use a rubber stamp or 2. This one says, "Listen to your heart." And this is a bird's nest, and this is some text. I think I'll put the maybe something like that. Now this isn't exactly black. I don't know what color it is. It's very dark. It's almost as dark. It's a dark gray. I don't even see it doesn't even say what color it is. This is one of the hot buy things that I got 8 little stamp pads like this in really nice colors, really inexpensively. I don't remember what it cost, but it was inexpensive at Michael's. Hopefully this will work. If it doesn't, I'm going to cover the front with paper. I'll cover the bad stamping with some paper or something, just so it'll look nice. Okay, I like it. Now, here's the "Listen to your heart" sentiment. Okay, see, it was very smudgy. I hope, I'm out of camera, sorry. Yeah, bad, not good. Okay, so what I have to do is fix that. Easy to do, easy to fix. I simply need some paper. Now what I should have done, and what I'm going to recommend, see, I've never done this before. This is my first time with making exactly this. What I would do next time is I would decorate the cover before stapling. Then I can just get rid of it, and I won't have to redo it. I can just, get another piece of cardstock. But that said, it's not going to work that way. Life isn't so perfect. Okay, I'll just use this. Although, no, I won't, because this is purple paper. I'd rather have something coordinating, so I just happen to have this beside me. And I think there might be something in the purple. that won't quite fit. That would work if it fit. Let's see, here we are. Okay, this is purple. So about as purple as it gets. And it's nice. Actually, it's quite pretty. So let's see. Okay, I don't think there's an up or a down on this one, which is very convenient. Get this out of the way. And all I have to do is I think I have a pen or a pencil around here. Do that. This is very, very faint because it's just about all used up. But I can see. Now I'm going to have I think what I'd like to do is tear around. That's really pretty, isn't it? Maybe I like this better than the stamping idea anyway. Could be just a happy accident. Hey, that's nice, isn't it? It's going to work out just fine. Now I have some glue stick here. It's Elmer's Craft Bond. And when pressing, always start in the middle and press outward so you don't create bubbles or wrinkles. Oh, this is so pretty. I really like it. I'm going to have a good time using this. I'm actually going to just write down notes of things, you know, from a phone call or maybe an address or two, or just whatever ideas that come to me. I tend not to put notes in my phone. I just, you know, I'm too old school for that in a way. I actually like to have things that I can write in. I enjoy having something tangible. Not to say that the phone thing isn't good, it's wonderful, but it's just not 100% for everybody. Now, I thought maybe I could cover the spine with a little bit of washi tape. That's not. But I'm not sure now, because I'm not doing the rubber stamp thing. Like, the rubber, no, I think it's too much. What do you think? I'm not going to do it, but if you think I should have, it would have kind of gone around like that. Is that better? Or is this better? It's very simple. I think I'm going to go with simplicity on this one. But let me know if you think that, if you would have used the washi tape. I'm just I just don't know. Now, thanks for being with me for this part. And this is a wonderful little book to tuck into a junk journal as well. I think it would be great. Or to put in with some happy mail for somebody. Anyway, now it's time I want to tell you about my giveaway. Every month I like to have one. I missed last month, however, but it came to my attention that it would be a good idea to continue to have them. I had a couple of comments about that, and it's a lot of fun. Anyway, the giveaway, what I'm giving away is anything that the winner wants from my Etsy store. And the details of my Etsy store are down below. And I'll make sure that everything's really clear there. And all you have to do is make a comment, is like this video and make a comment that has the word giveaway in the comment. And it can just be that one word, giveaway. Or it can be, I'd like to enter the giveaway. Or giveaway is good. Or something. Anything that says giveaway as a word in the comment. And I keep track of all of those. I always read all of my comments. And I respond to all of them as well. And so if you put giveaway in a comment and you like the video, and I hope you'll subscribe to my channel so you'll hear about every month's giveaway, as well as the various videos that I produce. I do 3 per week on Mondays, Tuesdays, and Fridays. Anyway, this one is a little extra one, and it's going to be on a Wednesday. I'm going to have 4 this week. The reason it's on the Wednesday is because we're already at the 2nd of February, and I want to make sure that this giveaway announcement is made at the beginning of the month, and the 3rd is kind of the beginning. In any event, I'll tell you about what you would win. In my Etsy store, I have a great many, and I do mean that. I have over 400 items, and they've all been designed by me, and the person who wins can have their choice of anything that they want, like any one item that they want from the store, and I will send it to them. And there are lots of different kinds of journaling kits and other things as well. It's all digital products. So if you're interested in that, do say giveaway in a comment, and do like the video, and do subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it. And I also appreciate that you were with me today. It means a great deal to me, more than I can even say. So thank you, and goodbye.